pivot table field name already exists. Let's see how this error occurs, why, and what to do to fix it. So I'm trying to edit the custom name of my pivot table header here to be just ticket ID. And when I try to hit enter, I'm seeing this error. Pivot table field name already exists. The reason why that happens is because when I'm trying to add a custom name, for example, this ticket ID over here, that custom name matches an existing column header in my source data. So I'm going to hit OK in here to accept the error, and it will put me back here. So I'm just going to press enter and show you. If I go to my data fields, notice this ticket ID over here. This cannot have the same name as the column that we have here. So typically the fix here in this case is either to name it something different than the original name, or if you really need to have this name, simply go at the end and just add an extra space in here and hit enter. And this is going to work just because we have this additional extra space added in here. So this is why the error occurs, and this is how to fix it. Thumbs up the video if this helped you, and I'll see you in the next one.